I know that so many people have been looking for a way to get migrated to the mainnet, and it's not working. It's not. So many has tried so many different ways on how to migrate to the mainnet, but in this very video right here, I'm going to show you step by step on how you are going to get migrated in 24 hours. This is what I have done and it worked for me. I've showed other people around me and it worked for them. So guys, you are not going to be left behind, okay? So kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you skip any part of it, you are going to miss some steps on how to get migrated, okay? So when you go to this place, click on this three dot line. It's going to bring this interface. Click on support portal. Click on support portal. Normally people seek for assistance in this page, but it's no longer working. So this interface is showing that this particular page is no longer working, that you can no longer seek for assistance here. So we're going to check other browsers, maybe Chrome or Google browser, okay, and check if we are going to apply through that place. All right, so go to your Google browser or Chrome browser, any of this one, or which one, whatever you are using in your search or in your browsing. So use that one, go there, but for me I'm going to use Google. Type PiHelp, search. Okay, you're going to see this particular one right here that says PiHelp email request, okay, not the one that says Jira service management. Do not use that one. Click on this particular one here, this one, click on it, then you're going to see it's going to come out like this, okay? So all you want to do here now is you're going to type the email you use in registering Pi, okay? So let me type mine. I've done this just for me to show you step by step on how you are going to do your own, so that it's going to work for you, okay? So your username, then the subject, I'm going to type migration to mainnet. You're going to be writing, I have successfully completed all the steps in mainnet checklist except for the level 9, which is migrating to mainnet. We're going to put quote, okay, and then end of quote. Now I have been waiting for few months now. I would appreciate if you help in resolving this issue as soon as possible. Thank you. In advance and download your, you go and add your attachment. Okay, so make sure you screenshot this, make sure you screenshot this page, and make sure you screenshot where you are not migrated, that particular level 9, make sure it shows. Okay, and then let's go back to my page, and then we're going to upload it right now. Okay, you click on browse, and this is the page. I have screenshotted it already, so now I'm going to import it to this very place. It's loading. Yeah, so you click on send. Okay, once you've clicked on send, you are good to go. Within 24 hours your problem will be sorted out. This is what I have done, and I've showed some people around me, and it really works for them. If you really follow this step by step on the way I showed you, okay, you are not going to left out. You must be migrated. So if this video gave you a value, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. Bye.